Welcome back, children, and now we are seeing the page number 117. Okay, the activity 3. Take water in a bucket and drop the following items into the water: apple, scissors, silver fork, marbles, and plastic ball. Fill the table with your observation. Fill the table with your observation. Okay, children. Yes, as I did in the before video, I just dropped one by one. No, yes, likewise you have to drop it one by one in a bucket of water. Okay ma? And write what you observe. Okay ma? Yes. And then see to the pictures. It's a plastic duck, so it is floating on the water. Then ship is floating on the water. Then this tubes, air tubes, you'll just see it in the swimming pools, isn't it? This is also a thing that floats on the water. Okay ma? Yes. Sinking, the mobile phones will be sinking inside the water. Then the humans, yes, so many will get sink inside the water, isn't it? Yes. Then this is the anchor. Okay, and this will also sink inside the water. Do you know a fish can control the upthrust on its body, so it can float and go beneath the surface of the water? Yes, this fish can control, and that force, we saw that force, isn't it ma? The upthrust, the fish can control it, so it can float on the water and also it can go deep inside the water. Okay children? Yes. Then solubility of solids in water. Yes, solubility means karayum tanmai. Okay, yes, some substance completely dissolves in water. We say that these substances are soluble in water. Other substances do not dissolve in water, and after we stir for a long time, these subjects are so insoluble in water. Soluble means karairadu. Okay ma? Yes, we observed many things, isn't it? Yes. What we observe? While we put some solids into the water, it will dissolve in it. அது கரைஞ்சிரும். சில ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து போட்டது உடனே என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, it just not dissolves. We have to stir it. Stir means கலக்கி விடணும். அப்பதான் it will just take a long time, and but sometimes it will just dissolves in it and sometimes it won't dissolve. Okay ma? Yes. For experiment, I'll just show you a thing. Okay ma? As I'm having water in a glass and I'm adding sugar to it. Okay, yes, I'm adding sugar to it. See what happens? It does not dissolve, isn't it? I'm just stirring it for a few minutes. Let us wait and see what happens here. Okay ma? Yes, I'm just stirring it. Yes, did you observe that ma? Can we see the sugar pieces inside the glass? No, we didn't see that one. So sugar dissolves in water. Okay, and now I'm taking a chalk powder. Okay, now I'm going to take the chalk powder. Yes, now I'm taking the chalk powder with me, and now I'm going to add this chalk powder to the water. Let us observe what is happening. Okay, yes, see, I'm stirring it, but what happens? Yes, Yes, see children, note that when I put the chalk powder inside the water and I stir it, isn't it? And see here, it is sedimented at the bottom. What happened to the chalk powder? It sediments at the bottom. Okay, ma? Yes. Now see children, I am going to take sand. Okay, I am going to take sand and place it inside the water. Okay, see what happens. Yes, now you can just stir it. Yes, now see what happens. Yes, while the chalk powder is inserted inside the water, we stir it, isn't it? It mingled with the water, but after some time it sediment at the bottom. But the sand does not dissolve in the water itself. It just directly go inside and set it. Okay, ma? Yes. And now we can move back to the activity 4. Okay. Collect some samples of solid substances such as salt, sugar, chalk powder, sand and sawdust. What is mean by sawdust? Sawdust means marathul. Okay, ma? Yes. We have take 5 beakers filled with water and add a small amount of sugar to the first beaker, salt to the second, and similarly add small amounts of other substances in the other beakers. Stir the content with the glass rod. Wait for few minutes. What happens to the substances added? Note your observation. Yes, I did that, no ma? Yes, have to take 5 beakers. Okay, and then pour water equally and put some amount of salt in one, and then the next to the sugar, and then chalk powder, sand and sawdust. Okay, and stir it with a glass rod. Okay, and then glass rod or spoons or whatever it may be. Now we are in at home, isn't it? So we can't able to get this glass rod or glass beakers, so you can do this with the glass tumblers. Okay, ma? Okay, and you can use the spoon to stir it and wait for few minutes and write the observation here in this table. Okay, ma? See, when you place the salt inside the beaker, what it happens? Whether it disappear in water, does not disappear completely in water. Yes, it will disappear in water. So I have to write here, it will disappear in water. Okay, ma? Likewise, observe the other 4 and write it here. Okay, ma? Yes. Then, mixing. Certain liquids are heavier, dense. Heavier means dense, is dense than other liquids. Some liquids will have some difference, isn't it? So that's only we are going to see in this mixing. Okay, when you attempt to mix liquids which have different densities, they separate when you stop mixing them. Yes, the heavier liquid deposits at the bottom and the lighter liquid floats on the top. Yes, children, you listen to this carefully. While we mix 2 liquids, now we saw about the solid that dissolves are soluble or unsoluble in water, isn't it? And now we are going to place liquid into liquid. Okay, that means while we pour some oil to the water, what will happen, Chelamas? Yes, listen here. While we pour some oil to the water, the oil density of the oil is greater than the density of the liquid. So it the oil floats on the water, isn't it? And vinegar While we stir it, it just goes inside itself. While we left it rest, it will just float on the water. Okay children? Yes. Let us see the activity 5. Collect samples of coconut oil, kerosene, mustard oil, lemon juice and vinegar. Yes. See, coconut oil, kerosene means mannennai, mustard oil means kadalennai, then lemon juice and vinegar. Take 5 test tubes. Fill them up to half with water. Add a spoonful of one liquid to this and stir it well. Keep it in the test tube stand and wait for a few minutes. Observe whether the liquid mixes with water. Repeat the experiment with other liquids and tabulate your observation. Yes, have to place one liquids to the water and stir it and make them to take rest, and then observe what happens and fill in this table. Okay ma? Yes. Okay, up to this we finished our lesson 2. Okay ma?